this video, we are going to learn about security misconfiguration vulnerability on OS Top 10 room on TryHackMe. So it is task 19 of this room. Let's start this machine. It will take approx 1 minute to assign IP address to this. Close this pop-up box. Okay, there are multiple theory things like security misconfiguration are distinct from the other top 10 vulnerabilities because they occur when security could have been configured properly but was not. Security misconfiguration includes poorly configured permissions on cloud services like S3 buckets, having unnecessary features enabled like services, pages, accounts, or privileges, default accounts with unchanged password, error messages that are overlay detail and allow the attacker to find out more about the system, not using HTTP security headers or revealing too much details in the servers like in HTTP headers. Okay, so if there is any misconfiguration in security, then this vulnerability occurs. Okay, so this is our theory part. Let's move ahead to practical part. So our first task was deploy the VM. We have already deployed the VM, so simply click on completed and it will assign IP address to our system in 5 seconds. Now practical example. So this VM showcases security misconfiguration as a part of OS top 10 vulnerabilities. Deploy the VM and hack by exploiting the security misconfiguration. Okay, so our next question is hack into the web app and find the flag. Okay, we need to find a flag of this web app. So simply copy IP address of our target system, open a new tab and paste that IP address. Now there is one login option. Let's try to enter any default credential. Like I'm going to enter here default credential like admin and 1234. So simply use any default credential here, admin 1234, login, admin, admin password. Okay, this site doesn't contain any default credential. Let's try to view page source of this site. So simply right click anywhere on the page and click on view page source. After view page source, find any comment or analyze the form. Let's find there is there any hint of any username as well as password. Okay, so page source doesn't contain any comment or any hint about username as well as password. We need to find another method. This site is developed using Pensive Note scripts. Let's try to find default credential of this Pensive Note scripts. So simply open a new tab, search for Pensive Notes default credentials on Google. We are going to use here Google Doc to find default credential. There is first link of one GitHub repository. Simply open that GitHub repo and analyze readme.md. So in readme.md, in last line it is showing that after downloading and compiling Pensive Notes, login using default credential Pensive and Pensive Notes. Okay, so these are username as well as password. So copy username as a Pensive and copy password as a Pensive Notes, and let's try to log into this site and click on login. And here you can see we have successfully logged into Pensive Note account. So this site is vulnerable for security misconfiguration vulnerability. Okay, now let's copy flag from that account. So it is starting with thm and ending with curly bracket. So paste that flag here and click on submit. So this is how you can find flag of security misconfiguration task on OS top 10 room on TryHackMe. This was just a beginner level task. We are going to learn more about advanced level tasks in future videos. So just stay tuned. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are interested in learning ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, you can simply enroll into my course. I have given the course link to the description. Thank you for watching.